wear. But it's how she wear them. She wear them in a feminine manner. She
Coffee
Walla,
wear.
walla, walla.
Coffee wear them.
Coffee wear them like how man wear them.
Yeah, which is oh.
Yeah, the baggy, the same profile like when man wear them in, she wear them in. She not alright. Like she would wear a sexy mesh marina then and cut it and make it look right. Like alright, Itana was a Rasta. Itana dressed like a female. And I still Rasta she a push.
So because she wear mesh marina in a house she want with, as you would say.
No, and the man and she wear her shirt, them and her pants, them and her shorts, them just like man.
What would you like Coffee to wear?
I want Coffee to give you a more feminine sense of fashion. That's when I have to question, listener, that's when I have to question our sexuality by our outer appearance. Because we don't know.
At the same time, she's a female from Jamaica, as we know. Why would you question our femininity, our sexuality?
But I know me alone I do that, dog, the whole world.
You know, take a long time.
It's not a personal vendetta, If it was me alone as watch this not just what. If it was me alone I said this, then would I just feel like an outcast or idiot.
I said we not here. Them I said somewhere around that one part. Nobody not.
No, that's a lie. Me not gonna agree with that. That's a lie. That is a lie.
What is a lie?
It is being said everywhere that people are wondering if Coffee is straight or gay. And if you say around some corner that I said, that is a lie.
Right. So we talk about you know where I said. You we are talking about in public. We're not talking
about I am speaking on behalf of my culture. I am from the people, for the people. And it's a burning issue that no one wants to talk about because Coffee get a Grammy and Coffee is hot and Coffee is big.
It's not a burning issue for she dress how she want to dress and wear what she want.
Okay, Jasmine. Let's forget Coffee. You work for Bounty Killer over the years. You work with Bounty Killer over the years. Would you not spark speculation if you saw Bounty Killer in a spandex tights and a spike heel shoes on stage?
We wouldn't even have to put my mind to that. We're not even thinking.
No, we're not talking about put mind. We have space reality. If a male artist was wearing female clothes in a female fashion, would we not have speculation and have a discussion about it?
Totally different. We're not going to agree to that.
No, it cannot be different. Just what? Just what? Just what?
Are you going to let me answer? Which one?
But you say it's not the same thing. What do you mean?
You're going to make me speak, or you're going to speak over me all the while.
All right, let me listen. Go on.
I'm saying, we know that our fellow artists in the business is not going to dress them kind of way in a feminine clothes and make it look like some form of feminine. But there are females that is allowed to wear shirts, pants, socks, whatever you want to call it, and wear what they want to wear. And nobody, hey, listen, enough girl wear Glocks. I mean, also do not pint in them out when you see them, if you say them are dressed like a man because they
but nobody, the argument, Jazza. I have to stop you there. The argument is not about a female wearing a Clarks. That's not the argument.
Yeah, but I'm making a point. What I'm saying is you're talking about
Clarks is not the issue, though.
Dressing certain clothes and looking like a man to you. But there's enough other females who wear the same type of clothes that she wear, but you wouldn't say that.
Which other female artist dress like man? Tell me. Which other female artist dress like man royal every day?
Wear pants and shirt.
No. I am saying.
This is because to maybe out to all Coffee. It's shape. You don't have no woman shape.
But you don't know that. You don't know that. We don't know that because we have never seen it. So you can't say that.
On the outside, so you figure out she look
like no, because me can't know if she figure if she just like a man in a baggy clothes every day.
Yes, you were talking that she look like a man.
So yeah, just what? Does Coffee dress like our Itana dress, or a Queen Ifrica dress, or a Spice dress, or a Shenseea dress? She dress like a female to you?
But enough of them
No, I'm not asking what enough of them do. I'm asking you a direct question.
Not me for say what you want me for saying.
No, I'm asking you a direct question.
What you ask me say?
Me say, does Coffee dress like a Queen Ifrica dress, or a Itana dress, or a Spice dress, or a Shenseea dress, or a Jada Kingdom dress?
She does not have to dress like them.
No, me never say if she have to or not. I ask you if she does.
How them dress? Tell me how them dress. Them
dress like female.
What and what is that? Skirt? Skirt.
Yeah. Yeah, them wear skirt, and them wear the skirt in a female fashion. Them wear pants, just the same. Cecile wear pants. Every
Yeah.
20 wear pants. But what I know,
What's the
don't know.
difference with Cecile wear pants and Koffee wear pants?
When Koffee wear pants, she wear it in a man format.
How is that?
Cecile
It's
would
the same
see.
pull on pants and wear them.
No, man. No, no, just true and wrong. Wrong. You know, just draw and close and wait. I'm going to go back to my question again. If a male artist, because Koffee is wearing male clothes as how male wear them. If a male artist put on female clothes as how female wear them, wouldn't we be having a discussion about it? Yes or no?
But we know that. So that's not
no,
even...
me ask you yes or no question that I don't want to hear, but you know.
No,
yes or
you
no.
would be. You would be. You would be.
Also, you wouldn't have a conversation about it?
Me not going out of my way to talk about that.
No, you that talk about it in a private, but you wouldn't talk about it by your platform.
Up in a topic and somebody talking about it, then we can chat, yes, but me not
okay,
going
so what I know. So why everybody are going like me can't have a conversation about Koffee outfit? I mean, like
cannot have a conversation, but it's like you're making a big dispute.
No, so why you not find but why you not find excuse for Koffee? What is so great about Koffee that we can't talk say she are just shaky?
Hold on, don't say Unuka never give no excuse.
No, but a lot of people doing that.
Yeah,
and including you. Because you talk like say nothing wrong with your Koffee, I just am for lower, make you just how she want dress.
You must lower to just
no, you would love Koffee. You would love Koffee and I say no. If Koffee wasn't a public figure, an influencer representing Jamaican dancehall and reggae culture, I wouldn't have nothing to say.
At the same time, as much as you say she's representing Jamaica and the culture, she's representing herself.
No, listen, Jaswad. Let me ask you again. If a male artist feels like he's a big artist and he want to go out there in a one tights with a spike heel and perform representing Jamaica, would you have the same energy towards that artist that leave him and him wear whatever he wants and it's okay for him to be in a tights and a spike heel? That's all I'm asking.
Obviously, we are going to make a big noise about that.
So why you find excuse to Koffee?
You find a girl with one which she won't wear.
No, so why a girl must why a girl must be excused? Why a girl must be excused, but a man must be crucified? Me not understand.
Nobody said she must be excused.
So why you not talk about what the defense for Koffee for? What the defense for Koffee?
What she wants to do. But you're making a point of the girl dressing how she feel to dress.
No, so what if a man feel to dress? Alright. Why she bother? Why she bother get burned out? Me never want to use them idiot as example, but look at this. She bother dress like girl and go on away. And if he's an actor where do drama and him represent Jamaica in the play department, why she bother get ridiculed and every artist sing and burn him out and diss him?
Me not hear your mic. The microphone trip out.
Hold on.
You're tripping in the air. Yeah, we can hear slightly.
No. Somebody that can. So I'm saying, why people not treat Shibada with the same energy where them treat Koffee now where I wear man clothes and I wear it like a man? Talk to me.
Again, you're saying she's dressing and wearing her clothes like a man. We don't get
just what more your answer when me I say. Why is Shibada ridiculed and disrespected in every song and get this up and a man I say him fi dead and be think I wear woman clothes like our woman would wear it? Why Koffee I wear man clothes like our man fi wear it and not put no little femininity in it and the whole I find excuse for that one?
So how shall I add feminine? How shall
I
add
mean?
Feminine?
Tie up the front of the blouse. Tie up the front of the blouse. Take in the man pants. Make it look more feminine. Cut it up to make it look ladylike. Cecile wear the same clothes them when Koffee wear. So Cecile now wear to look like a Koffee girl. You represent Bounty Killer. if Bounty Killer get up and did put on something female or feminine, you would have done with him and top work with him and bought him out. So why Koffee wear the clothes like he's a man and why look like a man? They're going to stop the hypocrisy and Uno make the music a fuck up. Because we have to keep the discipline and the relevance of the culture.
Uno make the music a song.
Oh, you mean because Uno play hypocrite and Uno understand, say, when the image of the music damage, the product are going to damage.
No. When you say something, don't say Uno.
Dog, me I say Uno because the whole of Uno argue like Foota run her. We can leave Koffee, make she do whatever she want to fuck up the dancehall. What you mean? What do you mean by leave her, make she do what she want to do? How the fuck music reach to that? But where you feel, then, you know, all right, look how much man out there name catches. We are artists. Tell them to come forward then, no? Come say them name catches. And see them carrying a mash up. When them not come talk then. Look how much artists are hide and juke girl in a body. Tell them come say it. And see if them have no career left. You can't do what you feel in a dancer. They can't do what you feel in a dancer. So how not come talk about Koffee if you do what you feel and wear what you feel. No! And that's how it go. You cannot do it. Once you become a public figure, your life not depend on